Hello everyone, I'm Irina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a very exciting unboxing today. And yes, you will notice that I'm back against my prints. I didn't like the quality the other way. I need better lights for the quality to be good the other way. So yeah, trying different things out. But you can also tell me which background you like best, because I can work with that as well. Anyway, getting back to this unboxing, which is very exciting for me. You will remember that I did a vampire look, and I did mention that that was my entry for Avon's Halloween makeup competition, and I did win a runner-up prize. And I have just received a parcel from Avon. What does it say? Avon Cosmetics on it? Yeah, it says Avon Cosmetics at the top there, and I've been really good, and I haven't even picked inside. So I do assume this is my prize. So I'm going to open it on camera. I'm going to have genuine reaction. Oh goodness, I'm so excited. And just a very quick reminder to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell. Oh, it is my prize. I've got a paper to show it. All the winners. There's a little sneak peek. So first I have a brush. Let's see what brush this one. It's the fan brush. I'm very excited about this. I do have their brushes, but I don't have the fan brush. I'm missing a few of their brushes. So yes, I got one that I don't already have and I want it. And all the brushes come with a little protectors. Maybe if you travel with them or you just want to store them so you don't get any dust or anything like that. I kept my protectors from my other brushes for quite a while, but then I ended up throwing them because I never put them on. So, but they're there just in case you want them. And this is the fan brush there. And this looks to be a little bit sturdier than the one they had before. So yeah, excited to use this one. Ooh, next we got a 2-in-1 cushion cloud. I already own one shade of this and I really enjoy it. And this shade is Sugar and Spice. I have the shade Pillowy Pink, by the way. Let's give Sugar and Spice a swatch for you, because I know I'll keep this, because I know I like it. So that's Sugar and Spice. You can use this as cream blush or as a lipstick. And it's a really nice formula as a lipstick as well. So that if we go a little bit more, this is how it would look like as a lipstick. I think it's a really pretty shade. Right, so there might be things that I already own or that don't suit me and I don't want to keep. So what I'll do with those is either put them in a giveaway or just give them as gifts to other people. Right, next we have the MAC Plumpet lip gloss in shade Mauve. I already own this one because I got it a couple of months ago, I think. The exact shade Mauve. So this one will go in a little giveaway pile. I'm not sure whether the giveaway will be for YouTube or it will be for Facebook or it will be a combined one. If I do a giveaway, I'll see first how many items I've got to go into something like that. Then we also have the MAC Plumpet lip gloss in shade Nude and the MAC Plumpet lip gloss in shade Pink Pout. So I'm not going to open these just yet, just in case. Ooh. Eyeliners or lip liners, let's see what they are. So we got a Glimmer Stick Diamonds eyeliner in shade Sugar Plum, already owned. So this will be given to someone else or in a giveaway. Glimmer Stick Diamonds eyeliner in Brown Sugar, already on. Because I love the Glimmer Stick eyeliners. That's Brown Sugar. Glimmer Stick Diamonds eyeliner in Black. I have no clue if this is the right thing. I think it's supposed to be Black Bijou, but it's missing a letter. I don't have this one, so I might keep it. I do use black eyeliners quite a bit, pencil ones. No, it is Black BU. Black BU. I'll show you a close up. We have the Glimmer Stick Diamond Eyeliner in Emerald Glow. We get the whole range here. That's Emerald Glow. I do like green eyeliner. And then we have the Glimmer Stick Diamonds Eyeliner in Twilight Sparkle. Ooh, this is kind of like a teal. No, it's more like blue. I will give this one a swatch, so obviously I will keep it. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, we have more of the MARC Plumpet lip glosses. This is Plumping Pearl, right there. And we have a clear one as well. So yeah, I think we've got a whole range of Plumpet glosses. That will go, that's the entire range. I'm not gonna keep the clear one because I got one that has the same effect from e.l.f. So definitely not keeping that one. Definitely not keeping Mauve. Oops. I think I might keep the nude, and then put the other two in the giveaway. Ooh, this is a mascara that I wanted to retry, so I'm quite pleased it's in here, and it's the Supreme Length Nourishing Mascara in black. I can take the wrapper off. I'm not going to open it, just to show you what it looks like, because I will use it eventually. Oh, got another brush. Let's see what brush. Yes, all over face brush. Another one that I didn't have. So again, that comes with a protector. Slide that off. And this is the all over face brush. Just needs a little bit of a reshaping that it's been in the protector. Yeah, that's the all over face brush. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lipsticks. We have the Ultra Matte in Ravishing Rose. That's the shade there. The Ultra Matte in Divine Twig. Oh, that looks like a nice grungy shade I might enjoy. The Ultra Matte in Truest Thread. I think I might keep that one. I do have a couple of reds, but not too many reds in my collection. And then the Ultra Matte in Superb Wine. I think I would enjoy all of these shades. I do have some sample of these, so I'll have to see if I want to keep the Ravishing Rose. So for now it goes in the giveaway pile. Superb Wine, I'm still thinking about it. So I'm gonna keep Truest Red and give you a swatch. That's Truest Red over there. And it looks like it's got a little bit of a blue pigment through it, which suits my skin tone as well. And Divine Twig. That's Divine Twig. I will enjoy this one, definitely. Okay, we've got some gel pot eyeliners, and I have every single one already, so I know I'm not going to keep these. These will go in giveaways. So we've got Silver, Plum and Navy. I'll just open them so you can see what the colors are like. So that's Silver, that's Plum, and this is Navy. And then I've got the eyeshadow primer, which is a definite keep. Very pleased to have this. I've mentioned lots of times before, this is my holy grail primer. Then we have 5 nail polishes. We have all of them are the gel shine nail polishes. So we have Racing Hearts. I really like the 60-second range because I don't have patience to wait for my nails to dry, and that range is perfect for me. It doesn't last as long as the gel range, but that doesn't bother me at all because I kind of get bored of the same color on my nails, kind of like I get bored of my makeup. I always change my makeup. But anyway, I'll show you the shades. So we've got Racing Hearts. Unless it's a shade that I really like, then these will go giveaways or gifts or stuff like that. This is Total Eclipse. Looks like it's plain jet black. Nice-ish. Nice-ish. That's quite nice. Next shade is Rosy for You. And then we have Showmans. I really like this one as well. But no, I got this one is kind of like Intuitive Dark in the 60-second range, so I won't keep it. Oh, we have the Illuminating Face Pearls. I already have one of these, like the old packaging. But anyway, I'll try to show you the pearls without them falling out. Yeah, so that's how the pearls look like. These are really good if you want a nice sweep of color on your cheeks and kind of like blush and highlight in one. I have an eyeshadow quad in Moonlit Mauve. Oh, I might keep this one. Don't need it, but you know. The last thing in here is an Also Tokyo product. It is the Ombre Glow in Sweet Plum. Love the packaging on these. Oh, it's got a little mini mirror as well. Ta-da! Yep, so that's Sweet Plum. Okay, so let me give you an overview of everything I've received. So there's my entire price. I got 5 eyeliners, 1 mascara, 5 glosses, a cheap chicken lip product, 2 face products, 4 lipsticks, 5 nail polishes, 2 face brushes, 3 gel eyeliner pots, the eye primer and an eyeshadow quad. Okay, so that's my prize. I am over the moon. Lots of lovely items. I feel like I could open a makeup shop right now. But yeah, thank you very much, Avon, for doing the competition and sending the prize. And it was definitely a confidence boost for me to get runner-up. Lately I started to kind of like, my confidence in my makeup skills started to dwindle a little bit. I'm not an expert by any means, but yeah, just go through phases, so this gave me a nice confidence boost. Yeah, I'm not going to keep everything. Some things I'll give as gifts, other things will go in a giveaway. If I do a giveaway on YouTube, it will probably be closer to 1,000 subscribers, or maybe around 500 subscribers, depends when it happens. If it takes too long, I'm not going to sit with all these products until, I get to that point. But yeah, I'm over the moon again. I'm very excited, very happy, and I hope you liked this video. I hope it was entertaining. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, and I will see you in my next video.